Today, we're going to be discussing the Rule of 72, a quick and easy formula that can show you what it will take to double your investment money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this formula can help you make informed decisions and grow your money faster. The Rule of 72 is a simple mathematical formula that helps you determine how long it will take for your investment to double in value. It is calculated by dividing 72 by the interest rate of your investment. For example, let's say you have an investment that earns a 6% annual interest rate. You can use the Rule of 72 to determine how long it will take for your investment to double in value. By dividing 72 by 6, you get 12. This means it will take approximately 12 years for your investment to double in value. The Rule of 72 is important because it allows you to estimate how long it will take for your investment to grow. It's a quick and easy way to determine if an investment opportunity is worth pursuing or not. By using the rule, you can compare different investment options and see which one will offer the best return on your investment. Let's look at some examples to see how the rule works in real life. In the first example, John has an investment of $100,000 that earns a 10% annual interest rate. He wants to know how long it will take for his investment to double in value. By using the Rule of 72, he can divide 72 by 10, which gives him 7.2. This means that it will take approximately 7.2 years for his investment to double in value to $200,000. Next, we have Sarah, who has an investment of $30,000 that earns a 5% annual interest rate. She wants to know how long it will take for her investment to double in value. By using the Rule of 72, she can divide 72 by 5, which gives her 14.4. This means that it will take approximately 14.4 years for her investment to double in value to $60,000. The great thing about this data is that you can work out if the return will allow you to reach your target goal in the desired time. For example, if John wants to retire in 15 years and he wants $400,000 in assets, then we know that he will reach his goal in 14.4 years. The Rule of 72 works because of the power of compounding. Compounding is when the interest you earn on your investment is reinvested, allowing you to earn interest on the interest. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth in the value of your investment. For example, take Mary. She's a part-time school teacher and only has a small investment of $10,000 that earns an 8% annual interest rate. She plans to leave it untouched for 30 years. After 30 years, her investment will have grown to $100,627. This is due to the power of compounding. The interest she earns on her investment is reinvested, allowing her to earn interest on the interest. Now that you understand the Rule of 72, how can you apply it to your investment strategy? The first way would be to compare different investment opportunities. By using the Rule of 72 to see which offers give you the best return on your investment with the lowest risk. Once you understand your numbers, you can decide where to put your money. The power of compounding works best over the long term, so it's important to invest with a long-term mindset. If you want faster returns, then you need to choose investments with higher interest rates. The higher the interest rate of your investment, the faster it will grow and double in value. But with this, often comes greater risk, so don't put all your eggs in one basket. Lastly, you could reinvest your earnings. Reinvesting your interest is a must for this to work. But if you can keep adding additional earnings to that interest each year, then this will help you take further advantage of the power of compounding. Even investing a small amount extra each month can lead to big results later. Understanding this simple rule can help even the newest of investors put a plan in place for the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.